Welcome to Olympian Water Testing, giving you the best in water analysis. Today we're looking at the CDC community water fluoridation and scientific reviews and reports assessing the evidence right here. So scientific reviews are helpful because they can consider evidence. They can be used carefully to design methods to critically examine scientific evidence, judge the quality, and identify and summarize research gaps. So today we are looking at their analysis on community water fluoridation. So they want to judge the safety of it and use comprehensive reviews. So how do they do that? The Community Prevention Services Task Force was established in 1996 by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services to identify population health interventions that have been shown to save lives, increase lifespans, and improve the quality of life. The task force makes recommendations and identifies evidence gaps to help guide the decision-making of federal, state, and local departments, other government agencies, communities, healthcare providers, employers, schools, and research organizations. The task force completed its most recent review of the community water fluoridation in April 2013. It recommended water fluoridation based on strong evidence of effectiveness in reducing tooth decay. And in 2006, the National Research Council, or the NRC, part of the National Academies of Science, Engineering, and Medicine, published the results of extensive review of fluoride in drinking water. This review was completed by a multidisciplinary committee of 12 scientists at the request of the Environmental Protection Agency. And that review focused only on the potential of unwanted effects of naturally occurring fluoride at concentrations of 2 to 4 grams milligram per liter, much higher than 0.7 milligrams per liter. The new recommendation for community water fluoridation. Even at these higher concentrations, the NRC panel found substantial evidence only for an increased likelihood of severe dental fluorosis. So there can be severe dental fluorosis even if the concentrations are a bit higher. And noted that severe fluorosis remains near zero in communities where the level of fluoride in drinking water is less than 2 milligrams per liter. They also have the information for the U.S. Public Services here that presents evidence for community water fluoridation for preventing tooth decay, and the CDC prevention achievements in public health as well. And they've recognized community water fluoridation as one of the 10 greatest public health achievements of the 20th century, providing a brief history of it, which we can take a look at, and describes the historical decline in tooth decay. Now it's up to you to take a look at the task force, take a look at the National Research Council, the U.S. Public Health Service, the CDC, and the Institute of Medicine, and come up with your own distinction on the benefits or the detriments of fluoride. That being said, too much of this mineral can cause an issue. That's why it's always a good idea to periodically test your water.